Hi everyone, so today I wanted to cover something that has been bothering me since the day I picked up the bike, and it's a minor thing, but it's very annoying, and I actually consider that as a design flaw, and it shouldn't be this way, and it's not fair that Honda does it. And I'm talking about this area in here. Um, the first scratch I got, it was I did like 20 kilometers and I already had the first scratches in here. And the current state is when I did somewhere around 1200 kilometers, so not that much. I always wear my enduro boots and they get scratched over that. I have white ones, so they get black eventually. I tried power taping that. The power tape didn't last a single ride. It was all messed up, and the sun got behind the tape, and it made it even worse. So today I will try to figure out the cheapest zero cost way to I don't know, protect further damage. I don't think it can get damaged more, but I don't want this to be exposed as it is right now. So I have this piece of plastic, and I will try to figure out a way to install it in here, use the screws that are here. So I screw this in a way that it's directly covering it, and I don't use any zip ties, nothing like that. I may use this double side tape just to give this additional layer of protection, but we'll see. Plus this is very thin plastic. I cut it out from my lunchbox. If this works, if the problem will be the fact that this plastic is too thin, I will cut out one of these containers. They have a stronger plastic, and I will cut out a template based on this, and I will try to put it in here. Plus those transparent that transparent plastic, it wouldn't look that bad, I think. So let's see how this works. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. The big question is if the heat from coming from the engine will influence the durability of this plastic. Initially, I thought I could just slide some plastic underneath here to make it nice and smooth, but then there's there's the exhaust pipe, so it wouldn't last for sure. Although this plastic seems to be fine, so we'll see. That's just a prototype. It has to be tested. Okay, so yesterday I installed this piece of plastic. Today I did like 100 something kilometers, most of it off-road, very heavy off-road to be honest. But I was wearing my adventure shoes, so those are CD Adventure 2. That there's less plastic on them, so maybe that is worth mentioning. But uh, the general the general conclusion is that it works. Um, the biggest benefits of this solution is the fact that it's basically for free. Uh, you're using existing screws, and it works. Just to cover this topic uh, holistically, I would have to remove it. I would have to protect the exposed metal that is underneath there, and then I would have to cut another template, maybe with a stronger plastic, and this should work for a long period of time. There's slight there's this gap in here, so this is something that kind of worries me, that it will collect sand and other stuff. The perfect solution would be to squeeze this plastic underneath here, so there's no gap and nothing gets inside. That I think that would be helpful, but for no money this is worth trying out, so I think I would recommend it.